Despite the Galaxy S24's recent release, there are already speculations circulating regarding its replacement, the Galaxy S25. Samsung seems to be ready for a shift after sticking with the same design for its S-series phones since the Galaxy S21 in 2021. The Galaxy S25 will appear quite different from its predecessor, according to a well-known South Korean source. Although there aren't many specifics yet, it's believed that the phone's hardware will undergo substantial alterations. The basic model size will rise from 6.2 inches to 6.36 inches, according to one particular leak of information. The reported increase in screen size for the iPhone 16 Pro might have had an impact on this choice. Though larger screens are now standard for flagship devices with a wider display, this move may not sit well with those who prefer compact phones. The Galaxy S25 is expected to undergo radical design changes, moving away from the current design language, and it is likely to feature a taller and wider chassis to accommodate the new panel. There are also rumors that the phone will receive a higher display resolution, making the screen sharper and more vibrant. Bringing a new perspective to the Galaxy S25, Samsung's MX design team promises an intriguing new look for the upcoming flagship. According to recent estimates, there may not be any significant improvements in terms of the camera capabilities of the upcoming Galaxy S25. Although it seems that Samsung may decide to use a sensor provided by Sony, the basic versions, such as the Galaxy S25 Plus, are still expected to retain the well-known 50-megapixel primary camera. It's important to note that there are some reports that the Sony sensor may eventually take the place of the present Samsung GN3 sensor in the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. Samsung is ready for any setbacks, even if this move can have an effect on the company's smartphone camera segment. Samsung is obviously committed to making the Galaxy S25 the greatest phone in its range. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.